Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's class, we are going to conclude our analysis under set theory Venn diagram. This is the part 2. Okay, I'll put the link of part 1 below this video. Make sure you watch part 1 out. Okay, once you are done watching this part 2. Okay, so in this part, we're going to do more extensive solutions to these questions. Okay, so that we'll appreciate and understand Venn diagram set theory analysis very well. So we have 2 questions to be solved here. Okay, so we have the first one. In a class of 42 students, so it implies our universal set, okay, equals to what now? Equals to 42. That is the the total set. Okay, in the 42 students, 22 offer physics. So we assume number of physics equals to what now? 22. Okay, and 28 offer maths. So number of maths equals 28. What again are we given? We're now asked to find the number of students that offer physics only. So if I'm not using set notation, okay, what I've explained in part 1, if I want to use set notation here, those that offer physics will be number of physics only will be like this. Number of physics intersection mass complement, that is mass prime. Okay, number of physics and mass prime. This is what we call physics only. Okay, so here I don't know what this, so I'll represent by by using s. Okay, so here let us now draw the Venn diagram. Okay, so we have this, they are they are overlapping. Okay, class, so we have this, and I have this. Are you with me? So physics and math, so I have physics here and I have here? I have math here. Class, are you with me? So let's assume these are inverse set. Inverse set is is 42. Okay, then these are our physics. Physics is 22. Are you with me? Then our math is 28. So we have put math here. Math is is 28. Now, where is this s going to be? The s will be here. This question is for what? Are you with me now? S will be s will be here. Now, if I want to solve question under Venn diagram, so we assume this part we don't know it, this part we don't know it, so we can represent them with using alphabet. Okay, so let's assume I put here, A here, and I put here, I put B here. What are we trying to achieve here? It means this circle here, everything in this circle equals to 22. Okay, and everything in this circle equals to 28. So let me arrange everything to be in form of x. Let me make this one to be in form of x. Let me make this one to be in form of x. So I can now add this one to this one to this one. It will now give me the universal set. Am I communicating, class? So which implies, let me make a to be in form of x. So from here we have 22. You are looking at 22 will be equal to s plus a. Okay, because everything here is for this 22. So our 22 will be equal to s plus s plus a. So what will be a in form of x? So make a the symbol of formula. Our a will be equal to class 22 minus minus x. Are you with me? So this place is 22 minus minus x. Similarly, our b plus a will give us 28. Are you with me now? So we have b 28 equals to b plus plus a. So class, what is our What's our b? Our b will be equal to 28 minus minus a. But our a is 22 minus x. Are you with me now? So a is 22 minus x. So let me change this one now to 22 minus minus x. So we are saying our b will be equal to 28 minus, what do I have here? Minus and be careful here because it's going to be a compound effect. So that was why I had to open this bracket. So a is 22 minus minus x. So I have 22 minus minus x. So open this bracket, we have 28 minus 22. Then minus times minus will give us plus x. Okay, so what is 28 minus 22? That will give us 6. So we have 6 plus 6 plus x. So it means this space is x, this space is 6 plus plus x, and this a is 22 minus minus x. So if I add this to this to this, it will give me are you with me, class? It will give me 48. So we're now having our x, okay, our x plus 22 minus x plus 6 plus x will give us everything, which is 42. Okay, so let us rearrange. Minus s plus s can cancel out. Minus s plus s can cancel out. So here I have s plus 22 plus 6 will give us 28. 28 equals to 42. So what is our x? Make x sort of formula. X will be equal to what now? 42 and what now? 28. And what is 42 minus 28? Here we have what? We have 4 and we have what now? We have 1. So the correct answer to this is 14. Okay? Do you understand the way I solved this? Just you can pause the video and look at the analysis I what the way I did this. You must be able to interpret. Look at what I have here. P intersection M prime is this space. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, so I'll make this one unknown, this one too unknown. I'll now make this one to be in form of what now? X. Make this one too to be in form of what? So everything can be what now? Can be uniform. So this plus this plus this will give us what now? 42. Okay, so that is the solution to the first what now? First what? First question. So it means our what? Our x is 14. So those that did what now? Those that did what now? Physics only is what? Is x, and that is what now? 14. Okay. So let's take question number 2. Okay. So permit me to wipe this one up. You can just pause the video. Look at what I have explained here. Pause the video, and you can make your what? Your notes. Okay. So question number 2. Let's solve question number 2. So here we have what now? 4 members of a school first 11 cricket team are also members of the first 14 rugby team. How many boys play for at least one of the 2 teams? So we have the options here. So please permit me to wipe this one off. Permit me to wipe this one off. So permit me to wipe it off. Okay. So we have this. So how many members? So we are saying 4 members of a school first 11 team, first cricket team. So number of those that are doing what? Cricket is what now? Is 11. Okay. Then number of those taking rugby, number of rugby class, number of rugby is what now? Is 14. If you look at this question, it said 4 members of a school first 11 cricket team are also members of the first what? 14 rugby. So it means 4 can be found in what now? Cricket. 4 can also be found in what now? In rugby. That is what we call what now? Intersection. Okay. We can find 4 of them that are what now? Inside this cricket team are also member of this what now? Rugby team. So which implies if I want to use what now? Set condition about what? Number of what now? Cricket. Intersection what now? Rugby. That will give us what now? Do you understand that? 4. So now said how many boys play for at least minimum should be one of the what now? One of the 2 teams. So let us use our Venn diagram here. So our Venn diagram, we have this, we have this, we have this. They are overlapping. So we have this, and we have what now? We have this. Okay. So if this is what now? Cricket to be what? 11. This is what now? Rugby as what now? As 14. What do I have here? We have 4. Okay. Because cricket and what now? And rugby is what now? Is 4. Class, look at this. Be careful here. Everything here is what now? Is 11. Okay. Everything here is what? Is 11. So out of 11, 4 is what? 4 is out. So what will be the remainder here? This is what now? Will be 7. Okay. Because 4 plus 7 give us what now? 11. Okay. So everything here is what? Is 14. Out of 14, 4 is out. So this place will be equal to what now? 10. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So it means if I have to find cricket only is what now? Is 7. Okay. Rugby only is what now? Is 10. But rugby is what? Is 14. Look at the way I said this. Rugby only is 10. Rugby is everything here, which is what now? 14. Cricket only is 7. Cricket is everything here, which is what now? 11. That's between what? Only and that thing. I'm laying emphasis on that. That's between what? Only and that thing. If I say cricket is what? Everything here, which is what now? 7 plus 4, which is what? 11. But if I say cricket only will be equal to what now? Will be equal to 7. Okay. So now say we should find what now? How many boys play for at least one of the 2 teams? At least mean the minimum. Okay. They always use words like this in what now? Instead, either they use the word at least or at most. At least mean the minimum. If I should give you 20 naira, for example, and I say spend at least 5 naira, it means the minimum amount that you spend should be what now? 5 naira. You can spend 6 naira. You can even spend the whole what now? 20 naira. Okay. So it means whenever we hear the word at least means from that thing upward. Don't get confused with list. The word they use list there. Don't get confused. At least means from that thing upward. Okay. At most means from that thing downward. So we said at least one of the what now? 2 teams. So it means either the person takes what now? Cricket only, or person takes what now? Rugby only, or the person takes what now? Both. Okay. Because we said at least should be what? From that thing upward. So we are coming from 2 moving upward. So at least one of the 2 teams will now be equal to what now? 7 plus what? Plus 4 plus what now? Plus 10. And 7 plus 4 give us what now? 11. 11 plus 10 give us what now? 21. So the number of boys that play for at least one of the two teams is what now? Is 21. Class, I am on a mission. My mission is to have 1,000 subscribers. Please, if you've enjoyed this this lecture, and you want me to produce amazing lectures like this, kindly do me a favor. All I need to do, class, just hit the red subscribe button below this video. Okay, just click that button. Okay, click to subscribe. Click the red button below this video to subscribe, and you can watch my part 1 too. Okay, part 1 of this, so that you can have more more elaborate explanation and understanding of the set theory using Venn diagram. And you can watch any of my videos on the screen right now. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next class.